Welcome to the AW Services channel. Today's video on cleaning, residential cleaning. These are what I call VVs, vertical Venetian blinds that hang over doors like this UPVC patio door on a aluminium track. These were absolutely disgusting. They were like nicotine yellow, and the previous occupant of the house had a dog, so the bottoms of them were absolutely black, mouldy and disgusting, and they stank like dog that had been dipped in ashtray. So yeah, I took them off and cleaned them. The counterweights, or the weights in the bottom, just pull out of the enveloped ends. The plastic chain simply unclips, and the top of these are on a tab which unclip and remove from the track hooks. So I've taken them off. I've used a bucket of boiling hot water and some bleach, and I've soaked them and I've agitated them, and they've come back up to their normal ivory colour or cream colour, beige, off-white, but they're not nicotine yellow anymore. Put them in the tumble dryer. I'm quickly going to hang them up before they crease, and then they should basically just air and straighten themselves out, but they're a lot cleaner than what they were. You can clean them if you have these in your house. Just be sure to take the weights out, because otherwise you'll get those wet and they could rust, because they are steel or iron or alloy. But basically just make sure you take them out, take the chain out so you don't snag it all up. But there's today's video. If this has helped you, please subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Click the bell icon for notifications when new videos are released. Give a video a thumbs up if you like it, a thumbs down if you dislike it. Either way, it helps the algorithms. Thank you very much for watching AW Services.